Prince William and Kate appear to be doing everything right. They took it slow. William popping the question 8 years after they started dating, having already lived together for some time. In public, they're affectionate and often photographed smiling at one another. But what do the experts say about their royal romance? Dr. Helen Fisher is co-founder of the website chemistry.com. She studied more than 40,000 relationships and personalities and says when it comes to Will and Kate,
they're both what I call explorers. They're very expressive of the dopamine system in the brain, and they both tend to be very energetic, optimistic, curious, creative, spontaneous. They're both novelty seekers, risk takers, and indeed they travel around the world together and they never go to the same place.
Dr. Fisher says though both are explorers, their individual personalities are quite the opposite.
They're also very different in some ways. They're very complementary. On chemistry.com, I found that people are very expressive of the estrogen system, as William is, are very drawn to people who are very expressive of the testosterone system, as Kate is. She's going to bring to him a sort of a direct, decisive, tough-mindedness that he probably will need, because he's basically a very compassionate, more easygoing, more emotionally expressive individual.
In addition to winning over her prince, it seems Kate's strong personality has even won over her future in-laws.
Prince Charles seems to really like his future daughter-in-law. He once said of Kate, she's not like other women. She doesn't complain about the weather. And indeed, the type of woman that Kate is not a complainer. They are loyal, they're factual, they're tough-minded, they don't complain, and she's going to bring all of these skills to her future king, William.
And while there are sure to be some ups and downs, particularly in such a high-profile relationship, Dr. Fisher believes one specific quality will help the royal couple get through it.
They're both funny. They both have a good sense of humor. In fact, she once said of him, well, I don't want you to be just a tourist attraction. She's an amusing person. He says of her, she's got a naughty sense of humor, and that will help them through the tough times.
Will and